In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export clean SVG icons from a slide in PowerPoint. If you've ever scaled an icon and watched it go blurry, this is for you. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which means the icon is built from paths and shapes rather than pixels. Because of that, it stays perfectly crisp at any size, whether you're dropping it into a website, a presentation, or a design tool. First, make sure you're using a vector icon. In PowerPoint, the easiest way is to go to Insert, then Icons, and pick the symbol you want. Those built-in icons are vector-based, so they're ideal. You can also use an existing SVG file by inserting it into your slide or dragging it in. What you want to avoid is PNGs or JPGs. Those are raster images, which are made of pixels. Even if you export them later, they won't magically become vector. They'll just be embedded as a bitmap and won't scale cleanly. A quick hint as you work. If you can zoom way in on the slide and the edges still look razor sharp, you're working with a vector. If you see blocky edges, it's a raster image. Once your vector icon is on the slide, export it as an SVG. Select the icon, right-click it, and choose Save as Picture. In the File Format dropdown, pick SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. Choose a clear file name and a folder you'll remember, then click Save. PowerPoint exports only the selected object, not the whole slide, so you get a clean, standalone SVG of that icon. If you select multiple icons before saving, they'll be exported together as one SVG, which can be useful if you intend to keep them as a single graphic later. That's all there is to it. By starting with a vector icon and exporting as SVG, you preserve sharp edges, tiny file sizes, and full scalability. Your icon will look crisp on high-resolution displays, it will be easy to recolor or style in other tools that support SVG, and it will load quickly on the web. Remember, the key is to begin with a true vector source from Insert Icons or an existing SVG, then use the right-click Save as Picture option to export as SVG. Do that, and your icons will stay spotless at any size.